Right now I'm stuck with doing stupid math. Yo. I hate my computer. It's a waste of time and it's stupid. What the heck just happened? It just... What the heck? What the heck, what the heck, what the heck? Am I even on dang first grade anymore? Oh, you sent me it wasn't on math. I'm stupid, I thought I wasn't on first grade anymore. Bye.